Welcome to Flex GUI. In this video we're going to show you how to add feed and rapid overrides. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is a little cleanup here by adding a group box and drag all our HAL items into that group box. Get them all in there. Change the name so we know what it is. Now I'm going to lay out in a grid, and it could be vertical. Now let's go make some room on the home page. Now we're going to cut, and the only way you can paste is if there's not a layout in the container that you're going to paste into. So now we're going to add our override. We'll go to the documents. Go to controls, overrides. First thing I'm going to add is a feed override. Grab a label, double click, paste. Go back here, get the object name of the feed override slider. Put a horizontal slider, it could be a vertical slider, whatever works for you. Grab a label. This is a feed override label. It's going to tell us the percentage of override for the feed just by giving it the object name. I'm going to lay out in the grid. Save it. Run. Now we see feed override. Go to the plotter. You can see our velocity is 25 inches per minute. Now slow down the feed. And the velocity slows down because it's a feed move, which is anything but a rapid move. Now to control the maximum feed override, it's in the INI file. If we set it to 1.0 and then run our sim, you can see that 100% is the maximum. Now we change that to 1.5, save it, run our sim, and it defaults to 100, and you can see it goes up to 150. So that's how you set that. We'll just set it back to 1.2. Now we'll go add the rapid override. Go ahead and copy the name so I don't have to type it in again. Grab a label, double click, paste. Get the rapid override slider object name. Drag a horizontal slider in. When I get the rapid override label, rapid is only goes 0 to 100% because it's assumed that 100% is as fast as your machine can go. I'm going to go to file. I'm going to pick a file that has nothing but rapids in it. Yeah, see, we're running at full speed. Slow that rapid down. 15. Because those are G0 moves in that file. So, and that's how you do it. Now we're going to add a velocity label. Almost forgot about that. The joint velocity per minute label. We'll add those. We'll drag a bunch of labels in. Change the text. Change the object name. And this is by joint, so it's 0. This will be 1. This will be 2. Alright. I'm going to change the precision to be 3 on all these. So save it. run our configuration. Home everything. We'll run the file. You can see the individual joint velocities. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.